Okay, here's one going in the teardown hole here at Subway Truck Parts in Sacramento, California. We have a 99 F250 Super Cab 4-wheel drive going into the teardown hole to be torn apart. Alright, here she goes. Time to take the cab assembly off the 99 Ford so we can access the engine and transmission and further dismantle this fine Ford vehicle. Alright, here comes the power plant out of the 99 Ford F250. We got the 7.3 power stroke. It's like a 4R100 tranny and a electronic transfer case ready to be put on the shelf for sale at subwaytruckparts.com. Okay, and finally, the unusable sheet metal will now be loaded onto our scrap truck and brought down to our local scrap processor and recycled and melted down for make new things. Okay, getting down to the last bits of this Ford, separating the last piece of frame from the front differential. And looks like this bit of frame will top off our dumpster load. This is more metal that will be sent down to the metal recycler and recycled into something new.